Hello, doctor.
Hello? Yes?
I need your help.
Yes, please tell me.
I'm a PT teacher from ABC school.
Okay.
One 10-year-old boy has fell down and his tooth has completely come out. What should I do?
Okay, so he's 10-year-old, you said. So first I want you to do is stay calm. And I'll just tell you a few
Okay.
steps. You have the tooth with you? Is it with you?
Yes, it's there in the mud.
Okay, can you just hold the tooth from the white portion? Not the long root, the white part, which is the crown of the tooth. Hold it
Okay.
and then rinse it under running water for a few seconds, 10-15 seconds.
You mean tap water, doctor?
If clean water is better, I wouldn't advise tap water. Bottled water should be fine. But do not
Okay.
scrub or scrape off the portion, the root portion. Do not put your fingers anywhere there. Just hold it through the crown.
Done.
Okay, so that's not to worry. So if he's calm, can you try putting back the tooth in the socket gently? Is that possible?
No, doctor. I'm very scared to do this.
Okay.
Can I come to your clinic?
Yeah,
Or what
yes.
time should I visit
So
you?
now you have to come to the clinic within 30 minutes. That would be very suitable for us to put the tooth back in place. So next I want you to do is find a packet of milk, or if you can find coconut water around you, just put the tooth
Yes.
inside the solution.
My school canteen will be having milk. I'll fetch it from there.
Yeah, then perfect. So then just can you put that and rush to the clinic within 30 minutes?
Just let me check. But doctor, I checked your clinic is like 1 hour from our school. Should I come to your clinic?
Then I would suggest you just go to Google and you can log on to the site called finddentistforkids.com
Okay.
and you can find the nearest dentist, pediatric dentist in your area.
Done, doctor. I've already dipped the tooth in a milk. I'll rush to the nearest possible.
Yeah, you can make the
pediatric
child
dentist.
bite on a gauze or a cotton piece to stop bleeding, but you calm down and make
Done.
this child stay calm and visit the clinic as soon as possible.
Done. He's already applying ice on his upper lip, and I'll rush to your nearest dentist.
Yes,
Thank
perfect.
you. Thanks a lot,
Yeah,
doctor.
Thank you.